Okay, so I will demonstrate you how I deploy my service to the server. So first of all, we go to my server. So this is server of my company. It's not accessible from the outside. I need to connect to my special VPN. So that's why I record the video and it's not allowed for you to use. The SSH there, and then I go to the directory already created, midterm test. Let's see what is it here. So it's like everything I have in my GitHub repository. Let's do git pull origin main, and it's up to date. You can see from my repository. And then we want to build Docker container. So we go here, like this is my repository. Go here and we have this build command. Copy paste it here. And it builds it really fast because I already did it once. And then I run the container. And let's see that we already, like the container is actually running. So grep prediction service. Yeah, and you can see that the container is running. So now, and it's running on port 8000. So now if we go and open this server, so like this server is called like this, and we write this port 8000, and yeah, we have this part credit rating service API docs, and we go into by this link and we get into the Swagger. So this this service has two endpoints. First of all, we'll get random samples. So let's try it. And when we go to this endpoint, we get two things. We get customer data and actual credit score. So we want to use this data in order to predict. We want to use our model to predict the credit rating of this customer, and just to be like kind of to check our performance, we have actual score, but we don't transfer it to the other endpoint. And the other endpoint actually accepts this dictionary created, not created, we got from this endpoint. And we go execute, and it predicts the results, and so it's response standard. And in this case, we were not right because actual credit score is poor. Let's try once again. I run this command once again. And we run here, copy it, execute. So now it predicts it's standard, but the actual one is actually standard. Yeah. Let's try once again, maybe with good one. Let's try with good one. Yeah, this one is good. And let's copy it and let's see the performance. Oh, it's predicted that it's good. So like the model is actually working about 80% of the time as it says in the model. Yeah, I guess that's it.